In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your Bitwarden vault with biometrics, whether you're using fingerprint recognition, facial recognition, or another biometric method. This step-by-step guide will help you enhance the security and convenience of accessing your vault. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Bitwarden website. If you're doing this for the first time, I'd recommend bookmarking this page for easy access in the future. Once there, locate the login button on the main page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. At this point, enter your credentials to gain access to your Bitwarden vault. Make sure your login details are correct to avoid any unnecessary lockouts. This is the foundation, so double-check that everything is in place by ensuring you have a stable network connection. Once you're inside your vault, you'll want to navigate to the Settings menu. This is typically represented by a gear icon and is usually located towards the upper right corner of your screen. After accessing the Settings menu, you'll want to direct your attention to the Security section. This area is crucial as it houses various security features to further protect your vault. Once you're there, locate and select the option for two-step login. This is where you begin the process of tying in biometric unlocking to your Bitwarden experience. With the two-step login section open, find the passkey option. Clicking on this will guide you through the necessary steps to enable biometric login. It's important to note that your device must already support biometric features for this method to work. So, if you're using a smartphone, ensure your fingerprint or facial recognition is set up properly. On laptops, make sure you have a supported biometric sensor. From here, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. The process generally involves scanning your fingerprint or face to create a biometric token linked to your Bitwarden account. Your device will prompt you at this point, and it's crucial to ensure that your biometrics are entered correctly to avoid errors during future unlocks. As a final check, once you've set up biometrics, I'd recommend logging out and attempting to log back in using your new setup. This will confirm everything is functioning as it should. If there are any issues, retrace your steps carefully, ensuring each setting is configured correctly. And there you have it. You've just learned how to unlock your Bitwarden vault using biometrics. This method provides an additional layer of security, ensuring your sensitive information is well protected while offering the convenience of quick access. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.